Close your eyes and picture this. Towering mountains blanketed in soft white snow. A sky that alternates between bright sunlight and misty clouds, and a quiet so profound that it feels like time itself has paused. Welcome to Kashmir, where the first snowfall of the season has turned the valley into a scene straight out of a dream. Stay with me as we embark on this enchanting journey into the heart of Neelam Valley, a winter wonderland like no other. Hello, my friends. Today, I'm thrilled to take you along on a very special adventure. We're heading to the breathtaking Neelam Valley in Kashmir, a region often described as heaven on earth. The season's first snowfall has arrived, and the valley is now covered in a pristine white blanket. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventurer, or simply someone who cherishes peaceful moments, this journey will have something magical for everyone. Our journey begins in Muzaffarabad, the gateway to Kashmir. From here, the Neelam Valley lies about 160 kilometers away. Although the distance may seem short, the mountainous terrain means the trip takes approximately 6 hours. As we navigate the winding roads, every turn offers a new breathtaking view. On one side, the mighty Neelam River flows, its icy blue waters glimmering in the sunlight. Along the way, we pass small villages where children wave at us, their cheeks rosy from the cold. The road conditions are challenging but manageable. Potholes and narrow paths are a reminder that this journey is not just about the destination, it's about the experience. The closer we get to Neelam Valley, the colder it becomes, and soon the first hints of snow appear on the roadside. As we step into the valley, the first thing that greets us is the sheer silence, broken only by the crunching sound of snow under our boots. The valley is a vast expanse of white, with the occasional splash of green from the pine trees. The air is crisp and clean, filling your lungs with a sense of rejuvenation. The locals welcome us with warm smiles and steaming cups of Kashmiri chai. Life here seems to move at its own pace, untouched by the chaos of the outside world. Every house, with its sloping roof laden with snow, looks like it belongs in a Christmas card. As we explore the valley, we come across a wooden bridge suspended over a gushing stream. The bridge is an architectural marvel, built using tree trunks and ropes. It serves as a lifeline for the locals, connecting remote parts of the valley. Walking across it, with the icy river rushing below, is an experience that's both thrilling and humbling. Nearby, we find a cluster of small huts where the locals store fodder for their livestock during the harsh winter months. These huts are built with thick wooden walls and insulated with straw to keep the animals warm. The roofs are designed to hold snow, preventing it from sliding off and causing damage. After hours of exploring, it's time for a much-needed break. Our guide, Shakil Bhai, surprises us with a picnic in the snow. He brings out freshly made parathas, spicy achar, and of course, a thermos of hot Kashmiri chai. Sitting in the middle of this snowy paradise, enjoying the warmth of the food and the company, is a moment that feels almost sacred. The simplicity of the meal contrasts beautifully with the grandeur of the surroundings. Just when we think the day couldn't get any better, the clouds descend and soft flurries of snow begin to fall. Standing amidst the falling snow, with the mountains as our backdrop, feels like stepping into a dream. Each snowflake is unique, and watching them settle gently on the ground is mesmerizing. The locals tell us stories of how the first snowfall is considered a blessing, marking the start of a season that brings both challenges and beauty. For them, it's a time of preparation and resilience, but also one of joy and celebration. As we wander further, we see villagers preparing for the harsh winter. Men are busy chopping firewood, while women weave warm blankets and store dried fruits and nuts. Children, wrapped in colorful woolen scarves, play with snowballs, their laughter echoing through the valley. We also visit a small mosque perched on a hill. Its white walls blend seamlessly with the snow, and the call to prayer resonates beautifully in the tranquil surroundings. As the day draws to a close, the valley is bathed in a soft, golden light. The setting sun creates a magical interplay of colors, with shades of pink and orange reflecting off the snow. In the heart of the Himalayas lies a land of breathtaking beauty and unyielding resilience. This is Kashmir, a paradise on earth, but one where winters are as challenging as they are enchanting. Today, we delve into the lives of those who brave these winters, thriving amidst heavy snowfall and icy winds. Welcome to a story of survival, tradition, and the indomitable spirit of Kashmir. Here in the remote village of Lipa Valley, homes are built from sturdy wood, designed to withstand the harshest of winters. These houses are not just shelters, but a testament to the craftsmanship passed down through generations. Uncle, how do you manage during these freezing winters? Uncle, we prepare well before the snow arrives. Firewood is stocked, food supplies are secured, and we rely on our traditions to stay warm. It's a way of life we've adapted to over the centuries. For these young souls, winter is no excuse to stay home. Schools remain open, and education continues, even if it means a long, cold walk through the snow. Maria, how far is your school from here? Maria, about 15 minutes by foot. The snow makes it a bit harder, but we're used to it. Even in these challenging conditions, education is a priority. Teachers and students alike show remarkable dedication, ensuring that learning never stops. Food plays a central role in surviving the harsh winters. Meals here are not just sustenance, but a celebration of local flavors and traditions. What is your favorite winter dish? Elderly man. Walnut chutney with maki di roti. It's simple yet full of flavor, and kewa keeps us warm and energized. As the day ends, the people of Kashmir prepare for another cold night, their spirits warmed by tradition, community, and resilience. This is just the beginning of our journey into their lives. Stay tuned as we explore more of how Kashmiris embrace winter, turning adversity into an art of living. Inside these wooden homes, the warmth of tradition embraces every corner. The kangri, a vital companion for winter, holds embers from the firewood that keeps families warm throughout the season. But maintaining this comfort is no easy task. Every family prepares for months in advance, gathering and storing firewood. Uncle Gulam, who has lived here for over 70 winters, shares his story. This wood, cut, dried, and stacked, is our lifeline. The mountains give it to us, and we use it sparingly to ensure it lasts through the season. Without it, surviving this cold is impossible. While schools in many parts of the world close during snowstorms, here, education continues undeterred. Children tread through knee-deep snow to reach their classrooms. We walk 15 minutes every day to school. It's cold, but we bundle up and keep moving. Learning is important for us. Inside classrooms, warmth is a community effort. Students bring small bundles of wood from their homes to feed the stoves that heat their learning spaces. Principal Bilal explains how they adapt. Our attendance does drop slightly during heavy snowfall, especially for younger children, but the older students are committed. Their final exams are approaching, and they're determined to prepare despite the weather. In the village market, life slows but never stops. Essential supplies are available, though prices rise as roads close and deliveries are delayed. Tomatoes are 180 rupees per kilogram. Onions are 200. With roads blocked, we rely on stockpiled goods. It's a struggle, but we manage. No winter day in Kashmir is complete without kewa, a fragrant blend of saffron, cardamom, and crushed almonds. Each sip warms not just the body, but the spirit. This drink has been passed down through generations. It keeps us strong and healthy in this harsh cold. As the snow deepens, families work tirelessly to protect their homes and livestock. Roofs must be cleared regularly to prevent damage, and hay for cattle is stored high above the snow line. If we don't clear this, the house will wear a snowcap forever, even amidst challenges. The humor and resilience of the people shine through. Winter in Kashmir is not just a test of human endurance, but also a time when nature reveals its raw and fragile beauty. For those who depend on the land and its creatures, this season is both a challenge and a blessing. This is the Shamsari Mountain, a place draped in mystery and legend. Known for its towering peaks and eternal mist, the mountain is believed by locals to be the home of ancient spirits. The ever-present fog seems to weave a veil of the supernatural, giving the entire range an aura that feels suspended between worlds. They say that long ago, a wedding party crossed these mountains, their hearts full of joy. But as they neared the summit, a young bride, curious and anxious, turned to look back. In that moment, the curse of the mountain took hold. The entire party was turned to stone, forever frozen in time, their forms etched into the rugged cliffs. Some say, on foggy days, you can still see their figures watching from the rocks, waiting to be freed. Tales like these keep the mountain secrets alive. And though the people of Kashmir may never know the truth, these legends continue to shape their respect for nature's mysteries. Kashmir's winters are both fierce and breathtaking. Here, nature's extremes are not feared, but embraced. The people of this land, resilient and unyielding, have learned to live in harmony with the harsh rhythms of the seasons. Every snowflake that falls is a reminder of their strength, their connection to the earth, and their unwavering spirit. In Kashmir, every day is a dance with nature. When the snow falls, the people rise, clearing pathways, gathering the harvest, and ensuring that no one goes without. And as the cold deepens, warmth comes not just from the hearth, but from the hearts of those who call this land home. So the next time you sip a warm cup of kawa or hear the crisp crunch of snow beneath your feet, remember that you're not just experiencing a place, you're witnessing the enduring spirit of Kashmir. Life here is more than survival. It's a celebration of resilience, simplicity, and beauty. As we pack up to leave, I find myself taking one last, long look at the valley. This trip has been more than just a journey. It's been a reminder of nature's unparalleled beauty and its power to heal and inspire. Dear friends, if you've been yearning for a break from the monotony of daily life, this is your sign to visit Kashmir. Whether you come for the snow, the serenity, or the stories, you'll leave with memories that will last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more adventures. And if you visited Kashmir before, share your favorite memories in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, stay warm, stay curious, and keep exploring.